We carried out this project with a great deal of finesse. Our goal was to respect and emphasize the nature of this traditional Valencian house. We needed to find a way to regain the longitudinal axis of the building and allow natural light to enter and flood the residence. We connected the different spaces deliberately, both double height and on the same floor, to create direct and indirect views of the beautiful outside. The interplay of double heights and openings achieves natural cross-ventilation, giving the house great comfort with minimal energy demand. The key to this project was to recover and restore the pre-existing high-quality materials, integrate them into our design and introduce new natural elements, creating a harmonious relationship. Playing with the classic line in the carpentry finishes gives a warm character to the whole.